Hello, my name is Adarsh. Welcome to in this tutorial. Here I will show you how to create Moodle to Akeneo connector credentials. So basically with the help of this module, you can connect your Moodle learning management system to Akeneo connector and can manage the content also. After installing this module, you have to create external service token. Now I am going to tell you how to create external service token in Moodle. So basically log in to your Moodle admin panel, and here your Moodle admin panel is looking like this. Then you have to go to site administration. In site administration, you will see icons like this: users, courses, grades and plugins. Then you have to select plugins and you will get web services here. Click on the external services icon. Here you will get external services. You have to add an external services, so click on add icon. Here you have to put your external services, so like I am putting webcool and sort name will be web. You have to click the enable and click on add service button. You have created your external service. Now you have to add some functions. If you don't add functions, your Akeneo to Moodle connector will not be work. So you have to add some functions. Click on the add functions. Here you have to enter the name like this, and you have to select course create category. Then you have to add function. The function is successfully added in your external service. You can also find the information for more functions. You have to go to store.webcool.com and click on the user guide. Here you will find the functions like these, and you have to add these functions to your external service. Without it, your Moodle to Akeneo connector will not run. So basically you have to add this function. Now you have to go back to your plugin section. You have to click on web services. Now here you can see your external service has been created. You can see manage protocols. You have to enable the REST protocol. By default in my system it is enabled, but you have to enable this. In next step you have to go to manage token icon, click on this. You will see your manage tokens page and click on the add button. click on username, like my username is admin, and for which external service I want to use, so I am choosing webcool. You can blank this IP restriction block, so click on the save changes. Now you can see your external token has been generated for webcool, so you can copy this external service token for using in your Akeneo to Moodle pin connector. So thanks for watching this video.